In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter maintenance mode on your hybrid vehicle. And the best part of this feature is it'll keep your gasoline engine constantly running. So it's great for troubleshooting. Now let me show you how to get into this mode, and you do not need any tools. So go ahead and start off with making sure that your ignition is on. So ignition is on, and you can keep your foot on the brake the whole entire time. Doesn't matter. You're going to do the following. Push the gas pedal twice. Then come over to neutral. Push the gas pedal twice. Go to park. Push the gas pedal twice. And maintenance mode will be displayed on the screen. Let me show you guys that one more time. So again, keep your left foot on the brake. Gas this twice in park. Go to neutral. Gas it twice again. Go back to park. Gas it twice. There you go. Now to turn on the vehicle, go ahead and hit power. It'll go through and run. The traction control will be turned off. And the best thing is you can do a lot of troubleshooting in this mode. So I'll display some reasons why you'd want to enter this mode. And this recently got me out of a little hiccup I had when I installed a new battery and the vehicle was not starting when I entered this mode. Even though the spark plugs were a little fouled, it went through and started the vehicle, which was a big help because the battery was getting a little weak. And it'll just keep the gasoline engine running. And it does charge up your hybrid battery a little tiny bit. So if it is really low, it will go through and charge that up. You can still use the AC if you like. I'll leave you guys another video down below if you guys want to learn how to use another mode, which is called clear flood mode. There's a really easy way of remembering this, and it's PNP, park, neutral, park, X2. So every single time you go to park, you're going to go ahead and hit the gas pedal twice. When you go to neutral, you're going to hit the gas pedal twice. When you go back to park, you're going to hit the gas pedal twice. And keeping your foot on the brake just makes things very simple. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Comment down below if it did. And let me know if you have any questions that I can help with. And if you guys want to check out some of my Prius repairs, I'll leave you guys those videos down below. And as always, make it a great day.